So my name's Danielle and I am a social worker, and I also manage a supported accommodation service, a temporary accommodation service, and we are also in the process of setting up our first children's home. I am, yes. Absolutely love it. Never go back. I joined in August 2023, and I'll be honest with you, I'll probably be on the academy for the rest of my life. Why? Because it is the network. Samuel is just one of a kind. I think he's an absolute force. He is somebody that people need to listen to. They need to learn from him. And if you don't know about Samuel, you need to look him up and you need to do your research. And especially if you want to get into property, he is your man. Yes. I can't hear you, sir.
Sorry, just someone who's not involved in the academy yet, but is thinking about it, what would you say?
For somebody that's not involved in the academy and that's thinking about it, I would say do it. Stop thinking about it, because the worst mistake that you can make is not joining it, especially if you want in and you want to make money and you want to be involved in property.